आजकल जमा में कहाँ रही है उसे। और क्या कॉस्ट होती है इससे पता है कितने रुपये का रूम जाता है शाम को, एक रात की कितनी कॉस्ट है? चलो जी है ना, तो एक नाइट का जो वो है रेंट है वो मिनिमम 4,000 से है। तो आपका आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है नेचर के बीच में रहने का, और लोग जो हैं वो उसको जितना मर्जी अमाउंट देने के लिए तैयार हैं। गुड आइडिया। ये क्या
Good morning, sir. I am Chaman, student 8th class. Today I will explain you the model of graphs. I take first graph to explain you the graph. First is bar graph. The data collection where the bars are used to show the data is called bar graph. Second, pictograph. The pictures are or symbols are used in pictograph. Third, double bar graph. There are two bar graphs to use the double bar graph and which show the comparison with each other. Last is pie chart. This type in pie chart the circle are used to show the data. Thank you. Have a nice day.
how you use this just to create this pie chart and all that? What type of method you are using? Are you using some Excel based some data?
Human
Is it working?
Good morning, sir. My name is Bhavini and I am from 8th class. Today my model is based on human heart. This is a human heart. The human heart is located in the chest cavity with the lower tip slightly toward the left. The human heart has a 4 chamber. The upper 2 chambers are called atria, also called atrium, and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. The partition between these 2 chambers help us to avoid the mixing of blood. This is a deoxygenated blood and this is the oxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood carries carbon dioxide and the oxygenated blood carries oxygen. When the deoxygenated blood passes through from the vena cava, it also due to the pressure, it comes from right atrium to the right atria to the right ventricle. From there, it passes through from the pulmonary artery and then it sent to the lungs for the purification of blood. From there, the purified blood was ready. This is the oxygenated blood. Due to the pressure, the oxygenated blood passed through from the pulmonary vein. Then again, it left atria to the left ventricle. The left ventricle sent into the aorta. Aorta help us to the blood from the pass through from the whole body. Thank you.
Excellent.
Good morning, sir. I am Nitika, the student of 8th class. Today I am going to explain my model on volcanic eruption. So, this is called volcano. A molten lava comes out from a volcano. A volcano is a vent or chimney that connects magma from the earth's crust to the earth's surface. A molten lava comes out from a volcano. A molten rock is stored in the magma chamber, rises through the created pipe pockets. As it travels through the main vent, gases expand and water becomes to creating pressure. When the pressure can no longer be contained, the volcano erupts through main and secondary vents. Common volcanic gases including water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride and hydrogen sulfide. Thank you so much.
Is there any chances of volcanic eruptions in Himachal or in Chamba?
Sir, maybe or maybe not.
Maybe.
Good morning, students. My name is Harshit. I am a student in 7th class. Today I am going to show you the model of rainwater harvesting system. First, there is a container on the top of the house. The rainwater collects on this container and go to the storage tank through the pipe. From the storage tank, the water goes to the pump. Then we on the switch. The pump pumps the water and we can use it for different purposes like watering the plants, cleaning utensils, washing the clothes, and we also use it for drinking purposes. Thank you.
Excellent.
My model is from the dash. Angles are used in our daily life. Angles are used in are painting artwork acceptable when two rays meet at common point and angle is formed. Angle can be classified into various types of painting objects. Number 1, acute angle. Acute angle is between 0 to 90 degree. Number 2, right angle. Right angle is the degree of 90 degree. Number 3, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is between line 90 degree to 180 degree. Number 4, straight angle. Straight angle is a degree of 180 degree. Number reflex angle. Reflex angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Or last, full angle. Full angle is a degree of 360 degree. Thank you, sir.
Excellent.
All organism needs energy for survival. We get energy from food. Oxygen helps in breakdown of food. We get oxygen by breathing. The lungs are the most important organ for breathing respiration. The lungs are present in the chest cavity on either side of the heart. The chest cavity is surrounded by the ribs. The right lung is bigger than the left lung. The primary function of the lungs is to facilitate between the air and the blood. The right lung have 3 lobes and the left lung have 2 lobes. The total surface area of both the lungs are
Good morning, sir. I'm Sona, the student of 8th class. Today I'm here to explain the model of hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants in a nutrient-rich water solution instead of soil. In hydroponics, the roots of the plants are grown into a liquid solution that contains all the nutrients they need to grow. As we all know that plants need soil for their nutrients, hydroponic systems follows the same principle as all the nutrients are supplied well in advance. The literal meaning of hydroponics is translated to working with water. I hope that you have liked my model. Thank you very much.
Excellent. क्या बेटा ये हो सकता है ये मैं अगर इसको करना इज इट पॉसिबल टू रेप्लिकेट इन हाउसेस
Yes, sir.
वर्किंग जहाँ जगह कम है वहाँ
Good morning, respected Chief Guest, Principal and Vice Principal Ma'am. My name is Yashashvi Thakur. Today I am here to present my model on biogas. This is biogas. Biogas is a renewable energy source which is produced by breaking down of organic matter in our environment. Without the presence of oxygen, this process is known as anaerobic digestion. Biogas is made up of to 50 to 70% of methane, 30 to 40% of carbon dioxide, including other gases. Biogas is used for various things in our daily life routine. For example, cooking, heating, driving engine, production of electricity, etc. Biogas plants is significantly create greenhouse effect. Biogas is a safe, cheap and non-polluting fuel. We should use biogas to keep our environment safe and clean for us and our future generation. Thank you and have a good day.
दो चीज़ें जो हैं वो बड़ी बढ़िया से मैनेज हो सकती हैं। एक तो गार्मेंट्स की बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है उसको
आगाज में शोर की क्या जरूरत, आगाज में शोर की क्या जरूरत, अंजाम तेरा घनघोर होना चाहिए। तू अकेला प्रारंभ में क्या क्या कहेगा, तू अकेला प्रारंभ में क्या क्या कहेगा, अंत ऐसा हो कि चर्चा चारों ओर होना चाहिए। सूरज की तपिश नापने निकला है तू, सूरज की तपिश नापने निकला है तू, अगर पैमाना फिर पसीना नहीं कुछ और होना चाहिए। हौसले की नाव ले तू, हौसले की नाव ले तू, तो बस आगे निकल, तुझको रोके ये समंदर में जोर होना चाहिए, तुझको रोके ये समंदर में जोर होना चाहिए। मैं सरिता आप सभी का इस चतुर्थ पारितोषिक वितरण समारोह आगाज 2024-25 में हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आज के हमारे आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि और आमंत्रित अतिथियों का सभी अभिभावकों का मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। No festival, no puja, no prayer, no auspicious occasion, no celebration is considered complete without the lamp lighting. Deep Prajavan symbolize our journey from darkness towards light. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to commence our event August 2024 and 25 by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is an symbolic movement that signifies the dispelling of darkness and lighting of thought and enlightenment. It is our honor to invite our respected chief guest, Dr. Mohendra Kumar Salaria and Principal Sir Mr. Deepak Raghuvanshi to come on the stage for the lamp lighting and worship ceremony. Before starting the program, I request the principal sir and ma'am to honor our respected chief guest, Dr. Mohendra Kumar Salaria with badge. अब मैं प्रधानाचार्य श्री दीपक रघुवंशी जी और उप प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती चंदन रघुवंशी जी से आग्रह करती हूँ कि वो मुख्य अतिथि महोदय के साथ मंच पर आएं और उन्हें स्मृति चिन्ह देकर सम्मानित करें। अब मैं प्रधानाचार्य जी से फिर से आग्रह करती हूँ कि वो हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर श्री नारायण सिंह जी को स्मृति चिन्ह देकर सम्मानित करें। लगी आपसे आस, भाव अनूठे भरे माँ अंतर करे उजास। पंख भावना को मिले निर्मल मन की चाह, पंख भावना को मिले निर्मल मन की चाह। हंस वाहिनी शारदे चले सत्य की राह, आन खड़े हैं द्वार माँ करना माँ उपकार, आन खड़े हैं द्वार माँ करना माँ उपकार। शान कोश है रिक्त माँ मिले कलम को धार, अमर लेखनी आपसे आप कृपा का द्वार, अमर लेखनी आपसे आप कृपा का द्वार। होए दूर तब हृदय का आशा का संचार। अब मैं 5वीं, 6वीं और 7वीं कक्षा की छात्राओं को मंच पर सरस्वती वंदना के लिए बुलाना चाहूँगी। इस नृत्य को हमारी शिक्षिका मिसेस हिना द्वारा सिखाया गया है।
सेवितपाद पंकजा करे विराजत कमनीय पुस्तका। विरिंचि पत्नी कमलासन स्थिता, सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाचि मे सदा 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 सदा।
Ah पुस्तकधारिणी वरवीणा पुस्तकधारिणी वाणी मंगलकारिणी चदूलराणी योगविचारिणी भवती विद्यां देहि तीर्चवे ज्ञानार्ति भवितकुवासट नीवे बासरवासिनी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी वरवीणा पुस्तकधारिणी वरमुखतरल विवाङ्मयी स्थिरमुख वेलग विचिन्मयी पदमुख कदल विमधुमयी मा पेदवल्सु वेदमयी वरमुखतरल विवाङ्मयी स्थिरमुख वेलग विचिन्मयी पदमुख कदल विमधुमयी मा पेदवल्सु वेदमयी నీదయ రామయ కావ్యమురాయగా బోయవాని రాత మారెను బంగరు పలుకై ధర్మ నిరతి ధరణి కందెను తరముల కొరకై గతమేమో పశువుల కాపరి కథ మారి పొంగెను వాక్షరి కాళిదాస కవితాద్యుతి నీ కనికరమే వరముగ తరల వివాంమయీ స్థిరముగ వెలగ విచిన్మయీ పదముగ కదల విమధుమయీ మా పెదవల్సు వేదమయీ వీణా పుస్తకధారిణీ వరవీణా పుస్తకధారిణీ వీణా పుస్తకధారిణీ వరవీణा पुस्तकधारिणी।
बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रस्तुति छात्राओं द्वारा दी गई।
Very good morning to everyone. Greeting to our respected chief guest, Dr. Mahendra Kumar Sularia ji, special guest of honor, Mr. Narayan Singh ji, guest of honors, Mr. Ajay Kumar ji, Mr. Kaka Ram ji, Mr. Hidesh Kumar ji, and Mrs. Meena Kumari ji. Dear parents and children, staff members, with the blessing of God, my late parents, I am extremely privileged moment for celebrating our 4th annual day prize distribution and cultural program आगाज 2024-25 एक नई पहल. It is an honor for me to deliver my welcome speech for annual function. Today's children are the future of our state as well as our nation. Brilliant faces that I am witnessing today, receiving awards and exhibiting their talent, will grow up and definitely will be the citizens of our beloved nation tomorrow. They may grow up to achieve great success, name and fame, as well as high human values. But on the other hand, we wish them to be good human beings also. Make their world a better place to live in. I am feeling proud in saying that the talent they have today is sufficient to say that they have the potential to become worthy citizens of our society. Education is about for more than what happens within four walls of the classrooms. Today is a day to celebrate our young, creative and talented students of Divine Public Schools role. Divine Public Schools role is considered one of the best schools in the Chamba, not only for its result but for its culture too. In our school, we don't focus on academics, but we try to teach things which help our students to be good citizens and good individuals too. Without taking too much time, I must tell you, we have very talented students. We believe in nurturing responsible citizens who are not only successful but also compassionate and socially conscious. I look forward that this annual day not merely remembered as just a program, dance or music. I am thankful to everyone who are present here and my divine team. Thank you so much to all from the core of my heart. Hope you enjoy the hard work of our students and their teachers. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. होप है कि आप सभी हमारे बच्चों का उत्साह बढ़ाएंगे और क्लैपिंग के साथ इनका आज उत्साह बढ़ाएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. With spring in my steps and anticipation in heart, I invite compeers of this program, Ankush and Sohana of class 8, come on the stage with their cultural program. Ankush and Sohana.
Invited teacher, parents and my dear friends. I am Sohana, the student of 8th class. यहाँ पर उपस्थित गणमान्य एवं सभी माननीय अतिथियों को मैं अंकुश सरियाल 8वीं कक्षा का छात्र प्यार भरा नमस्कार करता हूँ. गर्मी की छुट्टियाँ और नानी माँ का घर, गर्मी की छुट्टियाँ और नानी माँ का घर. खाओ खूब मीठे रसीले आम जी भरकर, खाओ खूब मीठे रसीले आम जी भरकर. दुनिया की सारी दौलत से बढ़कर, दुनिया की सारी दौलत से बढ़कर नानी माँ का प्यार ममता से भरा, नानी माँ का प्यार ममता से भरा. स्नेहपूर्ण मीठा अपने पंचदाता प्यार, स्नेहपूर्ण मीठा अपने पंचदाता प्यार. अब मैं आपके सामने बुलाना चाहूँगा नर्सरी कक्षा ग्रुप 1 के विद्यार्थियों को जो नानी तेरी मोरनी नृत्य पर अपनी प्रस्तुति पेश करेंगे. इस नृत्य को हमारी स्कूल की शिक्षिका श्रीमती मोनिका द्वारा सिखाया गया है. जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका उत्साह बढ़ाया जाए.
नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बच्चा था काले चोर ले गए. नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बच्चा था काले चोर ले गए. कंजूसी छोड़ दे। अच्छी नानी प्यारी नानी रुस्सा रुस्सी छोड़ दे। जल्दी से एक पैसा दे दे, तू कंजूसी छोड़ दे। नानी तेरी मोनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। नानी तेरी मोनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले।
बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रस्तुति इन बच्चों द्वारा दी गई। Let's see class group 2. Come on the stage for the performance in song Disco Dance. So give them a huge round of applause. This song is choreographed by our school teacher Miss Manisha.
Let's clap for the parents.
Say D. Say I. Say S. C. O. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं इसी का दीवाना। तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो। Go! I am a disco dancer. कोई यहाँ आहा नाचे नाचे, कोई वहाँ आहा नाचे नाचे। औवा औवा कोई यहाँ नाचे नाचे, कोई वहाँ नाचे नाचे। सारे हंसी यहाँ नाचे नाचे।
Let's not stop
सारे
clapping.
जहाँ नाचे नाचे। औवा औवा मानो ना मेरे यार। औवा औवा मानो ना मेरे यार। औवा औवा
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Stop. Here we go. You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say.
बुद्धू सामन मेरा तिफल बनकर जीतता हूँ, हर चीज की जिद करता हूँ, हर हाल में खुश रहता हूँ। अब मैं आपके सामने LKG कक्षा के विद्यार्थियों को मंच पर बुलाना चाहूँगा जो बुद्धू सामन गाने पर अपनी प्रस्तुति पेश करेंगे। इस गाने को हमारी स्कूल की शिक्षिका श्रीमती हीना द्वारा सिखाया गया है।
चलने दे नजरों की मनमानिया, ढूंढे चलो कुछ ठिकाने नए, होने दे पगली पगली सी नादानिया। होश में रहना है क्यों रहने से होगा क्या, बेहोशियों में है मजा। बचकानी हरकतें जो होती है खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सब बातें करता ये बुद्धू समन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सब बातें करता ये बुद्धू समन है। मौसम में भी की है कुछ कोशिशें, होने लगी देखो ये बारिशें। सर पे चढ़ा है एक ऐसा असर, दौड़े रफ्तार में दिल की सब